So I just want to go back a little bit into what the industry's been going through after the last major infrastructure spend that happened. The focus became all about efficiency, so people started spending a whole bunch of stuff, investing in how to make workflows efficient and so on and so forth. We obviously played a very, very key part in all of that. The next big trend obviously is around IP. It's about virtualization of the infrastructure. And the work that we do and Schedule in terms of how we automate the whole resource booking process, and with the infrastructure layer being virtualized as well, becomes more and more important. So that's kind of where our focus is on right now. It's all about making the industry go to the IP, and also about getting prepared for virtualization, which is all about further efficiency at the infrastructure layer. So one of the key demonstrations that we have over here is around Remote Production 2.0, where we're working with a whole bunch of partners, apart from our own products, which is bringing together Schedule with our Nimbra portfolio. We're working with Grass Valley and Calrec and really showing how we can do remote production in a completely new way. Other than that, we're showcasing our Nimbra product family, the VA, the MSR, the Media Gateway, and in addition to that, we've got the whole Schedule piece over here as well. So, everything. And then finally, the big thing which Net Insight is focusing on is the OTT play that we have with our Psy product, which is all about, fixing some of the issues around live OTT. The biggest challenge, I think, right now is the move that we're seeing in terms of infrastructure to IP. We're also seeing the emergence of more over-the-top players. So the whole of the broadcast media industry, how the content is actually getting consumed and being made available to the end user. The impact on the average revenue per user and the impact to the broadcasters is huge. And I think it's a business model evolution challenge, not so much a technology challenge, which people are trying to grapple with. So I think that's the biggest challenge for all businesses right now. In terms of the infrastructure layer, clearly we're investing in virtualizing our infrastructure layer. We're ready for IP. When you move up one step above that, we're basically designing an end-to-end stack where we're working on an orchestrated solution which provides agility and assured services. So that's what Net Insight is all about. On top of all of that sits our Schedule product. We have Nimbra Vision. We integrate with all other providers if it's not our own infrastructure. So really, we're trying to occupy as much of the end-to-end media value chain with our glass-to-glass vision. And as I mentioned earlier, like with Remote Production 2.0, we're focused on bringing more partnerships online and working together to create different solutions.